want to talking about the Buddhist story. That day, the Buddha in Nirvana. Buddha, he only saw the Buddha became a monk. He was a young kid in Sangha. Old man, love and spoil. He was eat whatever. He likes sometimes his hairline just for the fun of it. One day the Buddha said, please bring me a basin of water. I want to wash my feet. You wash his feet in the basin of water. The Buddha asked, would you want to eat? Would you want to drink? It was no, it's dirty. Rahula replied. Then the Buddha told Rahula, asked Rahula to throw the water away. The Buddha told Rahula, when water get dirty, no one want to eat. It's the same water animal. No one can for them. And tear of shame, Rahula eye. He never told another lie. We should always tell the truth, no lying.